really can't believe it. After just getting repairs done. Guys, so this is why they say do not buy Mercedes. Look at the just look at this. Look at the mileage, and look what it's saying: ABC Malfunction. And not only that, guys, I just got repairs done. I just got repairs upward of $2,000 done, and look at this. Everything it have is leaking out, and it has a smell. And I know the obvious, guys. I know what you guys are gonna say, or some of you guys. Yeah, the car is 10 years old. This is a 2008 model. Yeah, stuff like this is going to happen. But at 74 on the clock, I mean, some people, I don't know if they're trolls. I wouldn't say trolls. Some people maybe are just stating their opinion. But to me, 74 on the clock is low. To me. You know, we all got opinions. And if we all liked the same stuff, we all would be riding around here in Toyota Camrys. But there's a reason why we're all into different stuff and like different stuff. There's a reason for that. So to one person, 74 may be low. To the next person on a Benz, it might be high. But to me, when the car hit 100,000, that's when it's considered high to me. So for this still to happen, I know year-wise, 10 years old, yeah, but to me, it haven't ran its course yet for that to happen, for ABC Malfunction. Yeah, and there goes the steering. There it goes, getting hard to turn. I'm scared to pull out the driveway with it because I don't want it to lower and get stuck on me. So everything, as you've seen, guys, is leaking out of the car. So that's why you got to be very cautious with buying these cars, guys. You got to have money, which is even right now, I'm about to maybe even make a thing on my own savings account. Oh, that was me, the pause for, I was checking the back window. Look at this. Even like the rubber seal is like disintegrating on it. Yeah, there it goes. There it goes. It's getting hard to turn, guys. Look. You hear how it sounds? So it most likely will be getting towed into the shop. I'm scared to put it in reverse and drive. I'm scared that it just might drop. It haven't dropped. I heard the ABC is basically the suspension, but I just had repairs done on the car. Guys, so I will be taking it back to the shop, and said they're going to be honest with me, which I know they are. They are honest people where I go. They're going to be honest with me and tell me if you know it was something they did by mistake, something got in, maybe the debris messed it up or not. But you know, if I take it in, that's going to be another upward of maybe $1,000, maybe $2,000 to fix. I don't know, based on what's wrong with the car. So we are going to have to get it towed. And that's why I'm just like, don't buy a Mercedes. I know a lot of people are right. Mercedes, a lot of Mercedes reliability did go to crap. But we like them. The reason why I like them, you get this. You get all this nice material, but it's giving me a headache because it just don't equal to this. And there it is, guys. So as much as you do see these nice Benzes, CLs for sale, If you do not have deep pockets, please stay away from them. And make sure when you buy the car to buy at least 500 milligrams of Tylenol or Advil or something that could cope with your migraines and headaches from getting a car like this. Look at the leak. So as beautiful as these cars is, don't do it, guys. Just don't. No matter what the pockets look like, it's getting to the point now where it's like, I really just love my daily driver Corolla. It's like 4,000 mileage over the oil change and it's still running perfectly. The only thing it had on it right now was a blowout tire. But guys, I'm gonna keep you guys updated when I do get the tow truck here, when we tow it in and see what's wrong with it. But guys, this is horrible. I just got repairs done, guys. I'm gonna show you. And this is for another video actually, because I wanted to show you guys in a separate video how much it do cost to get the windows fixed. That's the one that didn't work. And there it is, guys, look. Replace RCM and left rear window motor. Another page I have, which I don't, it's not with this page, but another page I have was another 1,000 for everything, just in buying the parts and all that stuff. So I'm almost over it, guys. I know the car is old. Yeah, the car is old. Yeah, this stuff is basic maintenance, but it's just like one thing after another. Yeah, it's a good car. It's a good car. When it's running, it's a real good car. Oh, it's no other feeling. It's just butter. It's just like deep fried or deep toasted butter on toast with, oh man, it feels good. But it just sometimes don't equate to the headache of this. So basically, I am waiting on the tow man to come here, take it to the shop. If I can't get you this footage, guys, because I gotta go to work, then just know it's in the shop and it's getting fixed for all that leakage you see. And I will be bringing an update telling you guys what's wrong with it. It's just crazy because I just got repairs done. Finally getting it, it's getting towed. Heading out right now. Shop.